Exploring approximation. Make your English more flexible. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on describing people, places, and things. Today, we're delving into a fascinating part of English language, approximation adverbs. These adverbs are a fantastic tool for you to describe degrees of something, making your English much more flexible and natural. So, let's get started. Approximation adverbs are words that describe a rough or estimated amount or degree of something. They don't give an exact measure, but they let us talk about things in a more general sense, which is very common in everyday conversation. Some examples of approximation adverbs include words like almost, nearly, approximately, roughly, and around. These adverbs are great for when we don't need, or don't have, a precise figure. In order to use these adverbs correctly, it's important to know where to place them in a sentence. They are usually placed before the main verb or after the verb, to be. For instance, consider the sentence, "She almost missed the bus." Here, almost, is the approximation adverb which is placed before the main verb, missed. And in the sentence, "It is nearly midnight." Nearly comes after the verb, is. Let's take a look at some examples to help you better understand the use of these adverbs. 1. I've roughly finished my work. Here, roughly suggests that the work is not completely done, but it's close. 2. There are around 50 people in the room. Around here indicates that the exact number is not known, but it's close to 50. Now, it's time to practice. Try using these adverbs in your own sentences and see how they can help you communicate more naturally. And there you have it, folks. A brief introduction to approximation adverbs and their usage in English language. Remember, the key to mastering these is practice, practice, and more practice. They might seem a little tricky at first, but once you start using them, you'll see how they can make your English more flexible and expressive. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning, everyone!